Apple may revive a plan to offer its devices through a subscription program. Hello, and welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Most iPhone, Mac, iPad, and Apple Watch models will reportedly be available through the Apple Upgrade service as soon as July 28. Apple previously considered to have a hardware subscription service back in 2024. At the time, Apple eventually shelved its plans over concerns related to financial oversight. According to Bloomberg, the company is now teaming up with Klarna for the Apple Upgrade program. The publication says this partnership will enable Apple to offer hardware through a subscription program without taking on the financial responsibility. The companies already work together, as Apple has offered Klarna as a buy now, pay later option in Apple Pay since 2024. This will offer customers some flexibility with extra fees in some cases, like users will be able to upgrade their device to a newer model and they can keep the new device after the lease period or return it. They'll reportedly be able to pay off the device early during the lease period as well. Leases are believed to last 24 months for iPhones and Apple Watches and 36 months for iPads and Macs, and a soft credit check will be required. Apple Upgrade won't support AppleCare, while devices such as the iPhone 16, MacBook Neo, Apple Watch SE, and base iPad won't be eligible. This comes soon after Apple hiked the prices of many of its hardware devices. Apple Upgrade might appear to take some of the sting out of those price increases by offering consumers a way to pick up a new device without a single big hit to one's wallet. However, buy now, pay later programs often have considerable risks for consumers, such as higher fees for missed payments. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.